The Ford Mustang Dark Horse, with its eye-catching design, cutting-edge engineering, and exhilarating powers, has long been considered a symbol of American muscle cars. The 2024 model continues this legacy. The performance, power, and freedom that have made the Mustang a worldwide favorite among auto enthusiasts for so long are personified in Ford's premier muscle car, the Dark Horse. True powerhouse, the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse boasts a range of potent powertrain options designed to deliver exhilarating performance and jaw-dropping acceleration. It isn't simply another performance vehicle. At the core of this beast lies an incredible array of engines, each with a unique blend of torque, power, and responsiveness to cater to a broad spectrum of enthusiast tastes. One engine option that stands out for the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse is the well-known 5.0-liter V8. A potent engine that is commonly connected to American muscle cars. Thanks to its massive displacement and robust structure, this V8 engine generates a formidable 480 horsepower and 420 pounds of effective torque, propelling the Dark Horse with authority and ferocity. Whether you're starting from a standstill or passing on the highway, the V8 engine tingles your spine with its exciting acceleration. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse boasts a potent V8 engine and a variety of gearbox choices that let drivers tailor their driving experience. For drivers who prefer the convenience of an automatic transmission, Ford offers a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic gearbox that delivers power to the wheels with ease. In whatever driving condition, this gearbox guarantees optimal performance and lightning-fast gear changes. The available 6-speed manual transmission allows fans to fully immerse themselves in the excitement of rowing through the gears and commanding the Dark Horse's raw power with accuracy and delicacy. This option is ideal for those seeking a more immersive and hands-on driving experience. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse delivers exhilarating performance and heart-pounding acceleration that is sure to impress drivers and onlookers alike, regardless of the transmission option chosen. Whether tearing up the track, negotiating winding mountain roads, or just cruising down the open highway, the Dark Horse proves why it is a true thoroughbred among muscle cars with its unmatched combination of power, performance, and passion that sets it apart from the competition. In addition to its strong V8 engine, the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse has several powertrain options to suit a range of driving needs and preferences. For those who want even more power, Ford offers a high-performance version with a supercharged V8 engine. With its incredible power and acceleration, this version will completely outperform the competition. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse not only boasts a powerful engine but also a striking, aggressive design that attracts attention when driven. The striking LED headlights, bold grille, and robust stance of the Dark Horse exude confidence and presence from every aspect. The Dark Horse is offered in a number of eye-catching colors, including Shadow Black, Dark Highland Green, and Race Red, allowing drivers to flaunt their individual sense of flair and draw attention wherever they go. Interior. To enhance the driving experience, the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse's interior blends comfort, performance-focused comforts, and technological innovations. Premium materials like leather-trimmed seats and aluminum accents create a cozy and inviting atmosphere, and state-of-the-art technology like Ford's SOANC infotainment system and a customizable digital instrument cluster help drivers stay connected and informed while they're behind the wheel. Setting up a novel parameter. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse redefines dynamic driving and meets the demands of enthusiasts looking for thrills behind the wheel in terms of agility and handling. With its meticulous design, this iconic Ford muscle vehicle offers drivers a level of control, responsiveness, and precision that will thrill them in any situation. The Dark Horse's exceptional handling abilities are largely due to its accurate steering system. Ford experts have precisely adjusted the steering response to provide drivers with a direct and natural connection to the road. This makes it possible for quick and precise inputs to translate into assured control and deft handling. Riding the Dark Horse is like riding on a cloud. Every curve is smooth and delightful and moves quickly and precisely through tight spaces and up steep mountain slopes. Braking. In addition to its rapid steering, the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse is equipped with a high-performance braking system that delivers consistent stopping power in every situation. Drivers may push the limits with confidence thanks to the Dark Horse's brakes' consistent and dependable performance, whether they're using them to brake gently before a tight curve or to stop rapidly in an emergency. Suspension. The precise steering and snappy brakes of the Dark Horse are complemented by a finely calibrated suspension system. Ford engineers fine-tuned the suspension to strike the perfect mix between performance and comfort, allowing the Dark Horse to deliver a composed and quiet ride without sacrificing agility or responsiveness. The Dark Horse keeps its composure and confidence through hairpin turns on the racetrack and potholed city streets, encouraging drivers to push themselves farther and find their limits. Advanced Driver Assist Technologies, ADAS. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse's striking appearance and remarkable performance betray a safety-first mentality. To provide drivers even more confidence and peace of mind when driving, Ford has equipped this iconic muscle vehicle with an entire array of advanced driver assistance technologies, ADAS. One important safety element of the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse is adaptive cruise control. This technology uses sensors and cameras to detect vehicles ahead of it and adjusts the vehicle's speed automatically to maintain a safe following distance. By reducing rear-end collisions, adaptive cruise control increases overall safety. It also lessens driver stress and tiredness during long highway trips by dynamically adapting to traffic conditions. Aid with lane keeping. The 2024 Mustang Dark Horse is equipped with lane keeping aid, which is an essential safety element. With the use of cameras, this system keeps an eye on lane lines and alerts the driver if the vehicle begins to go off course without turning on its lights. In certain models, lane keeping assistance can also actively steer the car back into its lane, which lowers the possibility of collisions caused by unintentional lane changes. Automatic braking in an emergency AEB. Another crucial safety feature of the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse is the automated emergency braking AEB system. This system uses sensors to detect potential collisions with pedestrians, other barriers, and incoming traffic. If a driver disobeys a warning, the system can automatically apply the brakes to mitigate or even prevent a collision, reducing the severity of collisions and potentially saving lives. Growing awareness. Along with these essential safety measures, the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse also comes equipped with contemporary safety technologies like blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert. Blind spot monitoring uses sensors to detect the cars in a driver's blind area and alerts them either visually or loudly when the driver tries to change lanes when a car is there. Rear cross traffic alarms provide similar warnings when reversing out of parking spaces, assisting in preventing collisions with approaching vehicles or pedestrians. All things considered, by combining state-of-the-art driver assist technologies with Ford's legendary engineering prowess, the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse raises the bar for safety in the muscle car market and provides drivers with the assurance and peace of mind they need to enjoy the exhilarating performance of this legendary car. Whether they're speeding down the track or traveling down the highway, drivers can count on the Mustang Dark Horse to keep them safe and secure on every journey. In conclusion, the 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is a formidable and stunning muscle car that honors the Mustang's legacy of performance, flair, and innovation. The Dark Horse's powerful engines, aggressive appearance, and state-of-the-art technological features combine to provide an exciting driving experience that is sure to leave a lasting impression on anybody fortunate enough to witness it. Whether the Dark Horse is blazing up the track or driving down the highway, it delivers an unmatched level of excitement and adrenaline that is well deserving of its well-known name. The 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is an exciting new addition to the Mustang family, offering a mix of power, performance, and style. Its unique design and advanced features are designed to grab attention and impress car enthusiasts. The Dark Horse represents the next level of the Mustang Experience 1. This punny car boasts a 5.0-liter V8 engine that's been specifically modified for the car, pushing out 500 horsepower. With its twisted intentions, stealthy aero bodywork, and track-ready features, the Dark Horse aims to redefine what a muscle car can be. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the racetrack, the 2024 Mustang Dark Horse promises an exhilarating ride that combines raw power with modern sophistication. Subscribe now to watch more of us now.